Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my traveler's notebook system for the month of October, which if you've watched my channel for a while, you know I use a coil bound planner at home and that stays at home, and then some sort of traveler's notebook or ring bound system usually comes with me wherever I go. So I'm going to jump in and show you what I got. But before I show you the planner, I did want to show you the pouch that I'm using in this charm. This month the Cocoa Daisy kit did not come with the pouch, so I pulled this from, I think it was the August 2018 kit, the Twinkling of the Tea kit from Cocoa Daisy, so I'm reusing that. And then I ordered this cluster charm from Calibre Charms, and I am literally obsessed with it. I don't usually use that word very often, but I can't quit staring at it. I love all the colors. It reminds me of fall outside here in Illinois with all the oranges and yellow on the leaves. And then I did pick up this enamel pin from Calibre Charms. And I don't have a big pin collection. I know those are kind of trending in the planner community. People decorate their pouches with them. And I thought that was such a cute idea, so I went ahead and got that as well for my pouch. And then on the outside here, I do have this swag. It's an old swag that I had in my stash from Fur and You. And I'm going to drop a picture in here because I ordered something I haven't ever seen. It's a hand-cut witch's hat swag. It's made out of felt, but Lisa designed them herself, and I can't wait to get that in for Halloween. So as soon as that arrives, I'll be switching this one out for that one, but I wanted to share with you what that looks like in case you're interested because it is adorable. Okay, let's jump in to the meat of this setup. All of my decorations are pretty much from Cocoa Daisy. If I don't say, then they are from Cocoa Daisy. This kit is called Flannel and Frost. So I have that here, the kit card with the October calendar card for easy reference, along with my Simon card, and it just stays tucked in right here. And then I have the color card here, along with the tag, and then my son, we have chickens, and he wanted me to add one of Henny's feathers, so that's in there as well. And then my little Simon clip that came in the October specialty kit. This is from Cloth and Paper and Ollie Block. It was a collaboration, so it holds my dashboard here open to the current month. So as I'm filming this, it is still September. This is a month on 2 pages from So Much Crafting. And all of my forward planning goes in here. And then this I have a tutorial up on if you're interested. I'll put a link in the description. It is a reference card. This is actually a vellum, piece of vellum printed on and put onto one of the Cocoa Daisy dashboards. And this just stays out as I'm planning my week or my day to make sure I'm not missing anything I should be referencing. And then this is from Peony's Papery. And then this month I am using my Daisy Dori from Cocoa Daisy for all of my weekly and daily planning. So you can see the weeks. I have room over here for non-specific day tasks, and then my week looks like that. And I have some other pages in here, and I have a video I'll put a link in the description that goes through setting up the whole Dori for the month, and it goes into detail of how I set up each page if you're interested in watching that. And then this is the fall bucket list. It is a free printable from So Much Crafting, and I just printed that out and glued that in my Dori with some of the foiled leaves. For my daily planning, I am using basically 4 days on 2 pages, so I just used a ruler and made a dotted line down here, and then this would be Sunday, this would be Monday, and that's how the rest of my Dori is set up for my daily planning. My next insert is from Principal Kate, and it is my work planner. I found that I like having some of my work stuff in here so I know what's coming up, but all the detailed stuff obviously stays in my planner that's at work, but I do like having just a few of the basics down, so I've been using this from Printable Kate. And then I made this dashboard. I just took 10 mil laminating sheets and put one of those leaves in and laminated it with some washi. So it's super simple, but I can stick post-it notes or anything I need on here, and I thought that was really pretty. The next section is meal plans, and this came in the Cocoa Daisy kit. I didn't say this came in the Cocoa Daisy kit, and this is from Kelly Ava Designs. And then you can see down here, this is from Fur and You. It's a little bookmark. So meal planning. I've been using this So Much Crafting meal planner, and I stick in extra notes just on the Cocoa Daisy notepad and put a sticker to hold it in place. And if I know I'm not going to be meal planning because we're going out, I usually just washi that day off. So that's been helpful for me. And then these are date dots from Planner Kate in the Jen Plans font. My next section is notes, and I actually just switched this over from a dot grid notebook, and this is from So Much Crafting, so I need to transfer my old stuff from my dot grid over to this one, but I was just really liking the format of this one, so I need to update that. And then my last insert is called Budget, and it is the So Much Crafting checkbook register. And then lastly, in the back, I use my planner, I would say, very functionally. So usually this whole back pocket is like jammed with bills and paperwork and checks and ticket stubs and things like that. I kind of simplified this month and just put in this card that says "Which please," and then I printed one of the Betties off of the $1.99 Cocoa Daisy tracker download and cut it on my silhouette. And then I took the vellum from the Halloween kit and I folded it in half and laminated it and then cut the top open so it has this envelope sort of thing. And that holds all of my stamps and checks that are usually just kind of loose and flying around back here. And I think I'm gonna keep making these even if it's just out of regular paper for each month, because it's really nice to have everything kind of neat and tucked away. So that is my October 2020 setup. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and if you have any questions, as always, let me know. I'd be happy to answer. Otherwise, happy planning.